Okay, it's still day 212 of the teacher sabbatical. 222, I think. As you can see, it's raining heavily, it's windy. I walked to Haruru Falls, Waterfalls, and there they are. And quite impressive, but it's windy and raining. So it's actually not very convenient to walk around and take different types of pictures and videos of a waterfall. Yeah, I have to protect myself with a Rainbow Warrior rainbow umbrella. It's got all the colors of a rainbow. Yeah, this is Haruru Waterfall. Haruru River, Haruru Waterfall. So in about 5 minutes I'm going to go back the Haruru Trail through the mangroves and the subtropical forests with the nice fern trees to Waitangi, Paihia, to the hostel, and that was today's excursion. Anyway,